Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olawole Shayo Olaguju. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in United Kingdom. In this educational series, firstly, I'll be talking about the visa application for both Canada and United Kingdom. Secondly, I'll be talking about the tips and tricks of how you are going to enjoy your stay as an international student staying in United Kingdom and Canada. Lastly, I'll be talking about how you can make extra source of income as an international student staying in United Kingdom and Canada. If you like this video, please kindly consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the red button that says subscribe. And please don't forget to click on the bell notifications by the sides. Reason being that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the part of the first few people that are able to view my video. Before I continue this video, I would like to let you guys to know that I offered a UK Canada educational services, which include a SOP writing and a good academic CV. You and I know that a good academic CV and an exceptional SOP are the rudiment factor involved for you to secure admission abroad. So it's my job to handle all these aspects right from the beginning in terms of course selection and choosing the right school for you till the end of it. At the end of the day, it's going to increase your chances of multiple offer, which include scholarship, which at the end of the day, you are the one that's going to choose which one is okay for you in terms of the payment plan of schools, which varies from one school to another. If you like my services, please, those services, they are not free, but very, very affordable. For more about my services, please kindly check the description box below, where you're able to see my email address and you're able to see my Telegram link. What do we do at the Telegram? This is a avenue or a platform where we're able to share knowledge among those people that has a visa challenge or they have issue regarding their applications. Maybe you have issue, you apply for US student application and you have some issue filling your DS 160 and some other schools like Australia. This is the right platform. Please, you can check everything on the description below, like I said earlier. Please, if you found this video useful, kindly share it among friends and family. Thank you very much and thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for my next video. God bless.